everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing for the brand Karativa. I featured them on my channel earlier this year. I actually got something for my mom for her birthday from Karativa, and her Mother's Day gift I believe was also from Karativa, so I am featuring them in today's video. I got a personalized necklace with my name on it and a jewelry box. So it's a little mini haul from Karativa. They reached out to me to do a video and I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much at Karativa for sending me these beautiful pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them for you guys. If you are interested in any of these pieces, I will leave them linked in the description box below or in the pinned comment, or maybe both. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you guys are wanting to support my channel, you can go ahead and click on the buy me a coffee link in the description box below to support my caffeine habit. So let's get right into the unboxing. So everything was very securely packaged. It did come in a bigger box and everything was bubble wrapped, and just trust me when I say like their packaging is on point. I've never received anything dented or broken or anything like that. So let's go ahead and show you the jewelry box first. So these are really great Christmas gift ideas. Hint hint, wink wink, nudge nudge. These are gonna be great for the Christmas season. They do have Christmas themed pieces and that sort of thing on their website, but wait till you guys see what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was this jewelry box, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It just reminds me of one of those eternal roses or whatever they're called, those roses that last like a year long. That's what this reminds me of, and it's just so chic. Like, this is gonna look so beautiful on my table behind me. That's actually where I intend to put it, so you'll see it in a lot of my videos in the background really soon. So it does have a saying on the front here. You guys can see that. It says, best wishes, a friend is a loving companion at all times. I did not get this from a friend, I got this for myself, but that's okay. So it does open up, and wait, so if you guys can hear that, it does play music, which is so cool. It does have this velvet thing in the drawer, and you can put your earrings, necklaces, rings, whatever you want in there. And that is the little jewelry box. So definitely a really great Christmas gift idea if you are looking for something for one of your friends, if they are really into jewelry but don't have a proper way to store them. I know for the longest time I just stored my jewelry just in a random drawer, and I didn't really have really proper jewelry kind of like organizers or anything. So if you have a friend like me like that, definitely go for something like this. And also, if you do have a special song with your friend, your family member, your loved one, your mom, whoever you're buying this for, you can actually change the music on these, so you can customize it to whatever you want. Also, they do have a selection on their website. I don't remember which song this is, but I'm pretty sure for my mom's birthday I gave her the You Are My Sunshine one. But yeah, she absolutely loves her jewelry box as well. Hers is actually pink and it's like heart shaped. So this is mine, super cute, definitely me, and definitely matches my room decor. If you guys were wondering about packaging, so if this box isn't for you and you're like, well, I'm gonna have to like repackage it or something to give it as a gift, you don't, because it does come with a couple things here. So it does come with a little card. This is such a cute card. I think it's so adorable. Looks like that. And I probably will reuse this. I'm one of those people, like if I get cards like this for free or whatever, and I reuse it and give it to someone for a gift or whatever. It also does come with a little gift bag here. It has the same little poem on the front right there, so you can just put this in here like that, and then have your gift on the inside. You can also decorate it with like tissue paper, whatever you want to do. It's such a cute little gift, honestly. I love this. I love this as a gift idea. Even if it goes in the person's stocking for Christmas, I think it's a great gift idea. So let's move on to my customized name necklace. So I was trying to decide on whether or not I wanted my full name or just Layla, and I got just Layla. So this is the packaging it comes with. Eco-friendly packaging, gotta love that. It's actually packaged really nicely on the inside. I'll show you guys how it comes. Okay, so it does come with a couple things that I'll get to in a little bit, but I want to talk about the packaging that it comes in. Very, very giftable, very, very sleek and nice. I really do love Karativa's packaging because it's just, I love black and silver together. I've always loved the two color combinations, even on purses and that sort of thing. Okay, so this does come with the same kind of lining, that the velvet lining, as the jewelry box to keep your jewelry safe. And then it comes with a little traveling pouch like that. And it does come very secure, like you can snap it closed and stuff like that. But I love that it comes with this, and the inside, of course, is lined really nice so it doesn't damage your jewelry. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys the necklace. So I did get this in gold, which is very unlike me. I don't really wear a lot of gold jewelry very often, but I think that this piece looked really beautiful in gold. So I did get Layla on my necklace. So it looks like that. I know these name necklaces are super in, a lot of people have them, and I've never gotten one for myself because I'm just very picky when it comes to jewelry. I want something that's gonna be sturdy, that's gonna last a really long time, something that is coated. So this does have that like shiny protective coating on it, if you guys were wondering. If you guys can see how shiny this is in person, like it's crazy. Super, super shiny and beautiful. So I have always wanted one of these. I've seen them all around. Different companies make them on eBay and stuff like that, on AliExpress. But I wanted something that I don't have to, like, you know, constantly take care of, take off and put back on when I'm gonna go in the shower because I'm scared it's gonna tarnish or that sort of thing. My mom has had her necklaces since back in April, and they've been really good. They haven't tarnished or anything like that. So I am very, very excited about this. I've wanted one for such a long time. So that is the necklace, and then it also does come with this little thing right here, and it comes with a jewelry cleaning cloth. Looks like that. Again, super awesome that it comes with that. It comes with a little thank you card from Karativa and just ways to basically take care of your jewelry. If you want, you can pause that. And then it comes with a little greeting card. So if this is a gift to someone, you can write a little note on the back and stuff like that, which is what I did for my mom for her birthday. So yeah, that is pretty much all that I got from Karativa to give you guys some sort of gift ideas for Christmas time. I'm going to be uploading this before Vlogmas, but this would have been a really awesome Vlogmas video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys want to check out Karativa, I will leave their info down in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, also shipping was pretty fast. I think this came within 2 weeks. So if you are planning to give this as a Christmas gift, I would recommend ordering it sometime in November just to be safe, but you can wait until like the beginning of December to order it and you should be okay. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I let you deeper.